Hey everybody, I mixed up my paints today with alcohol instead of water. So we shall see what happens. I'm very curious because alcohol evaporates. It's getting really hard to mix. So I gotta use these colors and Floetrol, and then the alcohol instead of water. But it never really got, it's really a strange consistency. And as I said, I don't know how these will keep. Okay, now they're looking better, actually. Now that they've, okay, this one's really gloopy. That's some more alcohol. That's all I have in the squeeze bottle. And normally I'd wear my mask because I hate the smell, but I'm talking, so. Yeah, see, it's like gloopy. So, we'll see. So I wanted to do one where it was just these paints, and then one with my white. So, and these are just MDF coasters. I haven't even sanded them. I probably should have. Well, they're dented anyways. so it's really an experiment. I guess what I should have done is mix the same colors like I normally do and compared it. But, oh wow. It's really flowing. Maybe I made them too thin. Kind of afraid of what will happen when I torch, but I do have my fire extinguisher. Not safe. Not good. Not good at all. It's weird how it just keeps. Now I just want to see what happens if I do it with the white. Ooh, that looks cool. Just kind of blooming out. Let's just smush them. That's so weird. It's like see-through. Okay. Very bad experiment. I am going to get rid of these and wipe all this off and throw those away. But now I know somebody had suggested it to me in a comment, which is why I did it. But do not try this at home. Thanks for watching.